Hi and welcome to the new Allergen Manager RT video. This video is going to demonstrate the new version of the Allergen Manager RT application, including the ability to highlight allergens inside an ingredients field in multiple languages. The application has been developed to help businesses meet the new EU regulation for the highlighting of allergens, regulation number 1169/2011, which comes into effect on the 13th of December 2014. The application works by searching through an ingredients field within a database, looking for key allergen words and formatting and highlighting them accordingly. So this can work with a multitude of software applications, and for this demonstration I'm going to be using NLabel. So just to demonstrate this, I've got my NLabel label design on the screen, a link to a database, and I'm just going to show you that I have 6 products within the design. So 6 products linked to a database, and none of the ingredients have any allergens highlighted. If we look at product number 5, you can clearly see there's peanuts in there, which are definitely an allergen and should be highlighted. So let's go to the application and go through the process. The Allergen Manager has a settings button in the top right hand corner. From the settings screen you get to edit the list of allergens in multiple languages, as you can see: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. You can add, edit and delete these allergens. It's down to the user's responsibility to keep these up to date. Formatting of the allergen data can be created in rich text format, which is suitable for bartender, nice label, label gallery, etc., or specifically for NLabel or Label Direct. We're using NLabel today, which is why it's selected there. Case formatting. This will decide how the case of the allergen, highlighted allergen, will appear in your label. So if you chose all uppercase, every allergen word within your ingredients would always be in uppercase. So for example, on the label behind, peanuts would be all in uppercase. We're going to keep it as per the original ingredients list. The application also makes a backup of all databases before making any changes. So let's create a job. So to create a job, you simply load an Access or Excel database file. So we're going to use allergen example.mdb, which is the same as the label design is using. I'm just going to get out of there. So let's load that. And we're going to configure this. Let's just get rid of that so I can start from scratch. Okay, so once we've chosen the database it's going to use, then you can basically start to create your languages. So we're going to choose English as our primary language, and we're going to tell it within the database the ingredients field has the English allergens. Now what we also need to do is post this data into a specific formatted field. So we're going to put the target ingredients called ingredients formatted, and then add this to the job. This means that you can keep adding multiple languages to the job. So if the database had an ingredients French field, you could say French, ingredients formatted French, and start building it up from there. In this instance, I'm just going to keep it in English. So let's click next. So next options you have is how you're going to highlight the allergen within your ingredients. So you can choose the font, you can choose the style of highlighting, you can increase the font size and also change the font color. So for this example, we're going to choose bold, underlined. When you're using NLabel, the font increase is in a percentage. When you use rich text, it's a standard font size. So I'm going to put a 35% increase in the font size, and I'm going to make it red just so it stands out. Okay, let's save that job. So now I've saved the job. To run the job, I simply select the job from the job drop down list and click Start. You'll now see that one language is updated. If we now go back to the label design program and click the print button, you'll see that the allergens now highlighted in bold, red and underlined with approximately 39% or 35% font increase. Going through the products, as you can see, it's gone through and found all instances of any allergens and highlighted them accordingly. I hope this details how the Allergen Manager can help you and your business, and if you want to find out more about this product, please contact us either at our website www.rlsltd.co.uk, or you can email us at info@rlsltd.co.uk. Thank you very much. Goodbye.